Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yesterday we studied articles a and an. Correct? A article is used before which words? A article is used before the words which has or which have vowel sounds. Okay? And an article is used before the words which have consonant sounds. Understood? And today we are going to study the article the. I told you there are total 3 articles, a, an and the. Yesterday we studied about a and today we are going to study the article. What is there in the article? Now the article is called definite article. A and an are called indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. And the is called definite article. It is called what? It is called definite article. Now what is given here is some sentences are given, and I told you the is used before particular thing. आपल्याला ज्या वेळेस एखादी गोष्ट मेन्शन करायची असते, when we are talking about a particular thing, particular animal, particular bird, particular place, mainly rivers, mountains, correct or not? Before names of rivers, before names of mountains, we use the article. Okay, here it is. Now look at the following sentences. Look at the following sentences. I have a glass of milk at night. Sentence, a normal sentence. I have a glass of milk at night. So what sentence we can make? The milk has sugar in it. Now when we speak about the milk, means what? फक्त दुधातच काय आहे? Sugar आहे. Only milk is the only thing which has sugar, not any other atom. Other atoms do not have sugar. The milk. When we talk about a particular thing, now we are talking about which particular thing? We are talking about the milk. When we speak about only one thing, that time we use the article. Here it is. Now here the is used before milk. Before the noun milk is repeated again. Are you understanding? Here the is used before milk because the noun milk is repeated again. 2 sentences are there. I have a glass of milk at night. The milk has sugar in it. When one word is used 2 times, the same word when it is used second time and it is noun. Milk is what? Noun, name of a thing. Correct or not? Nouns means what? Name of a place, name of animal, bird, thing, animals, non-living things and emotions. Such words are called what? Nouns. Correct? Nouns are also called naming words. So here it is told that noun is used 2 times. So when noun is used first time and second time, again same noun, when we are using the same noun second time, at that time the is used before it. What is used? The. Now here it is told that the is used before noun. The is used before a noun when the noun refers to itself in an earlier sentence. Okay. Next, some examples are given. We use the in the following cases. To refer a particular noun. ज्या वेळेस आपल्याला एखाद्या when we want to mention a name of a place, name of an animal, name of a bird, name of a person, at that time we use the. Here it is told now. The books are on the table. Now 2 nouns are there in this sentence. The books. The books are on the table. The books is what? Noun. Table is what? Noun. Name of a things. Name of a particular thing. Correct? It can be anything now. It can be common noun, proper noun. Okay. So here before noun the is used. The books are on the table. The article is used before nouns. Now second it is told that when the noun stands for the entire group of its kind, The rose is beautiful flower. How is rose? The rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is what? Noun. So before rose, the is used. Third one, before names of rivers, mountains and other such areas of water and land. I told you before only. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Understood? The Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, okay, the Himalayan mountain, the Mount Everest. Understood? When we speak about a particular rivers, when we speak about particular mountains, when we speak about particular land, before that we use the. And fourth point, before natural objects and names of objects that are only one of their kind. The sun is larger than the earth. The sun is larger than the earth. The sun. These are natural objects. Are they man-made objects? Sun is man-made object. Earth is man-made object. No, they are natural objects. So before natural objects also, what we use? We use the article. Fifth question is told that before names of holy books, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, then the Quran, okay, before the names of holy books, before the names of holy books, what we use? We use the. For example, the Bible. Bible is holy book of whom? Bible is the holy book of Christians. The Bhagavad Gita. The Quran. Understood? In this way, before the names of holy books, we use what? Before the names of holy books also, we use the. Understood? Next one. Before adjectives of superlative degree. There are 3 degrees. Okay. First one is what? Positive. Second one is comparative. And third one is superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. So before superlative degrees, what we use? Good, better, best. Okay. Before superlative. Now best is what? Best is superlative degree. So when we use superlative degrees in the sentence, before adjectives of the superlative degrees, we use the. Satish is the best student in the class. Sheila is the most intelligent child in the family. The most intelligent, the best. Correct or not? Intelligent. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So most intelligent is in which degree? It is in superlative degree. There are 3 types of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative, that you will study in detail in 4th standard. These 3 degrees, adjectives 3 degrees. Okay. Before ordinal numbers also, what we do? We use article the. Example, Sunita won the 3rd prize. Sunita won what? The 3rd prize. Third is what? First, second, third, they are ordinal numbers. What they are? Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth. They are what? They are all ordinal numbers. And before ordinal numbers, we use what? We use the article. I think you have understood first page of the lesson. Second page of the lesson with some fill in the blanks we will study in next week's Thursday's period. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.